Welcome to Upstyle Plus. In this video, I will show you how to find all Wi-Fi passwords with only one command on Windows. You can see all passwords for all Wi-Fi routers in your network using only single command in command prompt. To do that, open command prompt as administrator. Type CMD in search or in start. Right-click command prompt and select run as administrator. Type netsh wlan show profile. It will show available Wi-Fi routers in your network. These are usernames of Wi-Fi's available in this network. Then type netsh wlan export profile and then mention folder. I have provided C drive. Then type key equals clear. Enter. Now all profiles have been saved to C drive in my PC. Let's go to C drive. And these are the profiles that were saved. I have moved these to this location. So let's check this profile. This is XML file, .xml file. You can open it in any code editor or notepad. This is a text editor. Let's open this file here. And where it says passphrase, you will be able to see the password. For this network, this is the name of the Wi-Fi and this is the password. SSID contains the name and share key contains the password. So this is how you can find all Wi-Fi passwords under a network. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.